Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. Got two more cases in here for the Moto E5 Plus, courtesy of Tudia. I appreciate them sending these out for review. I've actually been on vacation and I took the Moto E5 Plus with me and a few cases, and I only have three right now, which is these. You've seen the review on that one. But these are the new cases from Tudia, and one thing I like about carrying the phone in this case, now these cases do cover up the beauty of the device. However, it's going to give you some protection, and that's probably why people buy cases nowadays, is to protect their phone. The Arc S and the Merge series are probably two of the well-known brands, named cases that you know from Tudia. They have a different lineup as well, but these are the two that they push a lot because I guess they get a lot of sales for these. And I can see why the Arc S might have a lot of sales because it has so much grip on the sides. Now I'm pretty sure they did a lot of testing when making the Arc S. It's a thin, strong case. It won't add a lot of bulk. Neither one of the cases add a lot of bulk, but the Merge is the more sturdier, hard. It has that hard two-piece polycarbonate case on there, or shell, and this is a single piece. So when you take this off, this just seems kind of flimsy. However, it is very, very strong, and it feels strong once you get it on the phone because you have some grip here. The volume rocker and power button are nicely covered and secured there. The cutouts for the camera and fingerprint reader are perfect, as you would expect. You've got a noise cancellation cutout on top for that microphone, and the headphone jack has a wide space on top there. On the bottom, you've got your cancellation mic, or excuse me, your other microphone down there as well, and the charge and sync spot down there. So on the front, you definitely have a lip protection for lay on the table design. So if you don't have a screen protector on your phone, you definitely will be protected when you slap it down face down like that. So the Merge case is a little bit more hefty. I'll show you that one now, but I've been using this one more. The Merge case does have grip, however, and when I say it's bulkier, it's not bulkier, not like in a bad way. It just hugs the phone, and you can tell the difference of the heft between the two cases. This was going to give you a lot more protection as far as sturdiness goes. They're both certified for drops, but this one obviously is the one that's going to be a little bit more tough. So same cutout deal here, but you have a sloping design here for your fingerprint, so you have a resting feature there. So when you put your finger in there, it just kind of rests inside of this area, and then it's a little bit more deeply recessed on the top there for this particular case. And with that, you've got a little bit of branding down there, and there's a little bit of branding down here on this case on the side right there. But the ports and everything are going to be exactly the same. And with this one, you do have lay on the table design, but this case kind of wraps around the phone. It's a different kind of feel, hard to explain. Both of these cases, you can get them for under 15 bucks or around 15 bucks for both. So I would say just grab them both. So depending on what mood you're feeling, you'll be able to be in that mood and get that sturdiness. Like if I'm going to a game or football game or something like that, or somewhere where I probably would drop my phone from a higher distance, I would definitely put it inside of the Merge. But if it's just going to be a short distance drop, this case right here is more than capable, and it also feels really, really good. It has a little bit more grip than the Merge around the edges. Now the Merge does have grip around the edges. However, it doesn't feel like it has as much grip as the Arc S. Both cases are great. It's your man Jay Will. The Merge series for the Moto E5 Plus and the Arc S are new from Tudia. Be sure to hit the links in the description. No kickbacks, no affiliate links or anything. Just go ahead and purchase at your own free will if you decide to pick up one of these cases. So, sorry for the focusing. What are you doing? I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.